and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another DIY video, and this is a very sweet and a simple one for which you don't need much of a stuff. So for this DIY I've taken this flip-flop which I got for just ₹100. You can take any of your old flip-flops, and I've taken a scarf and cut it down in two pieces. I got this scarf from a local market for just ₹50. So you can take any piece of cloth which is not useful to you anymore, like a cutout from a sari or an old dupatta. And I have taken a adhesive which I already had at home. You can use any adhesive you want to. So let's get started. So guys, watch it carefully. We'll start with applying the adhesive on the strap of our flats. We are going to take the scarf and pass it from the middle of a strap and make sure that both the ends are equally divided, because at the end we need to tie the strap. And then we will start covering the strap with the scarf. Make sure that the strap is not at all visible. Then we are going to repeat the process for the next side of the strap as well. At the end we will secure the end by applying a bit of more adhesive. And then we will let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that it's ready to wear. So guys, our flats are ready, as you can see. Now I'm going to try this and show you how it looks. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion for me or any DIY videos which you want me to show you, then do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.